Hey everyone, so here's an interesting app called Alive by Whitney Simmons. So yeah, you can just tap get to install it, double click to install this app. Yeah, this is workout and fitness app. So it's a beautiful day to be alive. Alive is a fitness and wellness app by Whitney Simmons. Whitney has shared her fitness journey and workouts for many years and has now designed programming to help women with their journeys. Whitney is passionate about empowering women to shape the best versions of themselves, mentally and physically. This app provides customized programs and workouts to push you to your limits, helping you achieve your fitness goals and get in the best shape of your life. Alive was planned and designed to be as simple as possible and easy to use, focusing specifically on the workout experience so you have confidence during your workouts. So yep, here you have that. That's the idea. You can just open it up. This is the app, and then you can just tap get started and create account just with your email. It's not possible to create an account with the Apple ID or Google or Facebook. So just start out with your email.